Right, so it's the middle of May. We're on the Intrican section of the River Aire today, and we're going to try some dry fly fishing. I've been practicing, so I'm getting slightly better. The only problem is there's a downstream wind today, and also I'm on the wrong bank, so I'm casting with my poor arm. But I'll just have to make the most of it. To maybe get a cast in between the gusts or something. If not, I guess we'll just have to move spots, but we'll just have to try and see. Oh, come on, right in the tree. First cast, great. So I finally got a fish on the dry. I don't know what it is. It actually looks like a smolt or something. Hard going to get them to take, that's for sure. It's not that big. Good fight on it though. Oh, that's not bad. Don't come off, you bastard. There we go. Nice wee brownie. A wee sea trout maybe, or brownie, one. Oh, nice wee fish anyway. Wind is well endless. Trying to cast upstream with a 12-foot leader into the wind. It's just not happening like. Right, so that was really hard going. And there was 2 fish rising and I fished them for about 15 minutes. But I got one of them, the other one didn't seem to want to take, so maybe it was taking something else other than maybe my fly didn't look like what it was feeding on. Sure, there's plenty more fish rising. It's just finding something that somewhere it's not too windy. Seriously windy, like with a downstream blow. And this next pool might be worse because it's actually open, but oh well, give it a try. Right, so there's 1 or 2 fish rising at the bottom of this pool. I don't think they're very big, and to be honest, you're not really meant to fish dry fly downstream so much, but just have to see how it goes. I can cast if the fly's downstream. Not fishing right though. Dragging. Oh, that was a fish on my fly. Right, so I've changed to a tiny wee black fly. We'll see if this does any better. Fingers crossed. Because there is a wee black flies about today. Right, we've changed to that. It's like a CDC foam little brown one, whatever the hell it is. So just not far enough that time. Still not really far enough. That's better. Oh, fish don't look very impressed. And we got it. Finally. These don't come off. Better fish. Beauty, that one. God, that took a while, didn't it? I've got it. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure if that might be a sea trout. It's very, very silver. Nice wee fish. So if it's a brown trout, it's brown trout number 60 this season out the river. Right, so we've just had about 10 or 15 minutes of heavy rain. It looks like it's thinning now and the fish are starting to rise again. Some just rising there. It's not very big again. Not that it really matters, but it's the